Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I have a 6-pack of LED lights. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is a great kit, and when I say kit, it actually comes with 6 LED lights, and I haven't done anything with them. I literally just got it today, so I'm extremely excited. Model 100, and let's check these things out. Ooh. Alright, so it's kind of a small solar panel on the top. However, it's a kind of a weird name. Merece? M-E-R-E-C-E. The C is a crescent moon with a star on it. Kind of unique. It's a nice design. Should I count how many LEDs this thing has? So it's 30. So 15 LEDs here, 15 LEDs here, 35 per panel. So 70 plus 30. So it's 100 LED. And there's 6 of them. So you know what? Before we go any further, let's see if this thing gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. You know what? You guys should be knowing by now how this works. How this thing should get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. If it has a user replaceable battery. Oh yeah, buddy! Ho, yes, it is. And it does not say what the milliamp output is. It's a weird brand. HONGCI. Definitely Chinese manufacturer. It is kind of heavy. So let's see what the weight of the battery is. It weighs 35.26 grams. Alright, so 35 gram battery. So it's decent. So I'm going to guess it probably about 2200 milliamps. That's what I'm going to guess this as. So that's actually good news. So this, my friends, will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. So now we're going to check it out and see how well it actually works. So the plus thing about having this type of removable battery is that you can take all of these LEDs apart, every one of these, and charge them first. So if you have a couple of nights, a couple of days with cloudy weather, they're not going to get fully charged. All right? The solar panel maintains the charge rate of the battery and keeps it fully charged throughout the day when it's a sunny day. Now, not every environment's the same, so having the ability to take it out, replace it if it goes bad, however, you could charge it prior to use, and that is huge, and that's what I would recommend. I recommend charging these prior to use, then putting them back in, and then using them. And this charger, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this, as well as if you wanted to get larger batteries. But 2200 seems to be the going size for these type of lights because they last pretty much all night, especially these modes. So let's check out the brightness of this bad boy. All right, so it's raining, so we have these 6 that are here. There we go. They just came on. Wow, look how bright they are. Damn! Holy crap, they came on pretty quickly. They're on full brightness, by the way. That's impressive. Let's continue walking down. Nice. Sweet. Look at that. Look at that light output. That is insane. Let me back up a little bit so you can see all of it. 6 of them shining. Yep, and they go off 20 seconds later. Let's see how much darker it gets. Try not to move. There we go. Wow. Look at that. Let me wave. Let's see. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Check it out. That's impressive. It's raining, so if you see or hear the water, the rain coming down. That's awesome. Love it. So these are the modes. Full brightness when there's motion, goes dim when there's no motion after 20 seconds. That's one mode. You have dim that's on all the time for ambient light, just so you see. And then you have full brightness when there's motion, and then off when there's no motion after 20 seconds. So everything is after 20 seconds. By the way, these are 600 lumens output, just so you're aware. 600 lumens, each one. So we have, you know, 6 times 6, so it's 3,600 lumens pouncing me right now. So this is pretty impressive. So out of the looks of this one needs the charge the most because the battery's starting to get weak. But I do recommend charging these prior to use because you'll have better runtime, better light output, better everything. So guys, I really like these lights. These things rock. I'm quite impressed with them. I'll definitely have a link in the description below because they do get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. Yeah, this is the full bright. You can't really see it, but whatever. We definitely need to charge these babies beforehand. Definitely recommended. I will have a link in the description below to get this particular charger. If you want to get a 4x4, this happens to be a 2x2 that charges 2 at the same time. But I'll have a link in the description below to get any type of 3.7 lithium-ion battery, 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery charger. So this is a must-have. It's very easy to take apart. You need a small screwdriver and the batteries come right out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care and we'll see you next time.